See, the sheep are those who saw pain and responded, who saw need and did not look away, who saw suffering and moved with mercy. These are not those who merely sang worship songs or read devotionals, but those who lived the gospel by embodying the heart of Christ towards others. They may not have been recognized by men or didn't have a ton of followers, but see, heaven knew them. They visited the broken, they fed the poor, they welcomed the foreigner, they clothed the outcast, and in doing so, they served the King himself. See, this passage exposes the shallow religion that loves sermons but ignores the suffering, that builds empires but leaves the hurting behind. It rebukes the church that praises God with its lips but passes by the wounded on the road. It confronts every comfortable believer who thinks that holiness is found only in abstaining from sin, while neglecting to love. See, the sheep did not serve for reward. They served because they were transformed. They bore the image of Christ. And when he returns, he will recognize them as his own. See, his sheep know his voice. His sheep recognize his message in others. But see, to the goats, Jesus speaks with a terrifying clarity. These are not atheists or pagans, but people who are shocked to find themselves condemned. They call him Lord, yet their lives never reflect him. They saw the hungry, but did not feed them. They saw the stranger, but did not welcome him. They saw the sick, but did not visit them. They knew about Jesus, but never knew his heart.